In this demo, we will show you how to get started with Multilogin. You will learn how to connect mobile cloud phones, create browser profiles, and set up proxies. Let's get started. Let's start with the basics. Multilogin provides everything you need to manage accounts with cloud phones and browser profiles. Cloud phones are real Android devices hosted in the cloud, essential for platforms like TikTok, Instagram, and Reddit. Want to see how it works? We'll show you how to get started. After you log into the Multilogin app, you will see this dashboard. This is your starting point, where you can view, sort, and manage your profiles. At the top, you can find the bar with quick shortcuts for your profiles. Let's create your first profile in the Cloud Phone dashboard. Click Create to start. Add a name for your profile. Add tags and notes to keep things organized. You can also specify a folder for your new profile. The next step is to use built-in proxies. This will allow you to connect from any location that you need. Select Multilogin as the proxy provider first. Then select the location. You can specify the region and city. We provide more than 150 locations with stable connections. Another important setting is the device brand and model. You can choose the Android version, brand, and specific model for your cloud device. You can also customize the network type and phone number settings. Click Create again to save your profile. When everything is ready, click the play icon to connect your cloud phone. You will see an Android screen. Use your mouse to interact with it just as you would with a real phone. You can run multiple instances at once. Using the built-in app marketplace, you can quickly install apps like TikTok, Reddit, and Instagram. After installation, you can find your app in the home menu. Open the app and log into your account. Your session can be closed and resumed anytime without logging in again. Mobile profiles are billed by the minute. You can track your mobile minutes and proxy traffic here and top them up at any time. Multilogin provides both cloud phones and browser profiles for your accounts. You can use this switch to toggle between them. Browser profile creation is very similar to the mobile profile creation process. Click Create to start. If you want to speed up the profile creation process, you can create profile templates and select them here. The next step is to customize the fingerprinting settings and proxy. After that, just click Create to save your browser profile. When you are done with the settings, use Cookie Robot to warm up your accounts, then launch your session. From here, you can start working with desktop-based platforms. Click here to open team member settings. If you work with other people, this is where you invite them. Assign one of 3 roles and manage access by folder. In billing, you can manage your plan and buy extra resources when you need them. Let's also check your account settings. Click the gear icon to open them. In account settings, you can set up the location settings and adjust the security. We provide everything you need for your business: cloud phones, browser profiles, proxies, and a beginner-friendly app. Start today with Multilogin and maximize your efforts on any platform.